What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So it's been like a week that since I've uploaded. I had a video planned for the 98, went to go start editing it, and I lost all my files. They were non-existent, not there. Yeah, so figured let's jump on in and make a video on the 79 since we haven't had it on the channel in a while. So a lot of you guys know, if you've been following the channel or the build for a while, this is my 79. We've built it. It's got a nice exhaust underneath of it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but maybe you can now. Turn downs and stuff. So I decided let's change it up a bit. Let's do something cool. Let's do something way different than just that. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out, get it set up, and show you exactly what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so I went ahead and got it set up. I'm sure some of you guys are gonna be like, are you serious? You wanna do this? So if you've been following the channel for quite some time, I had an 86 square body that had a 6.2 Detroit diesel in it with a 6.5 turbo setup on it. Love the truck, should have never sold it, but I had to, needed new tires and stuff, and I want to do different stuff to the 98, so I sold that truck to dump more money into the 98, but anyway, that's a long story. So I figured, why not? Let's go ahead and do the exact same exhaust setup that we had on that truck on the square body here versus a diesel, one's a gas. So anyway, look at it. Would you just look at it? That thing is, don't mind the paper underneath it. We're kind of on a hill here and it didn't want to stand up correctly. But no, that is a 4-inch to an 8-inch stack. Get rid of the little turn downs. We'll run it straight up through the bed, can join both of them. And yeah, she'll be loud. Let me know what you guys think. Leave down in the comments. What do you guys think? So we'll be getting rid of, like I said, the turn downs. We'll just run a Y pipe over, then we'll go straight up through the bed and then tie in to the stack. Obviously it'll be a little bit lower, but look at it. Look at it. The thing is massive. It's gonna sound ridiculous. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hole saw. We're gonna get a hole drilled here in the bed. I think that's where we need it to be, because I gotta make sure it's on that side of the cross member, so I might have to go underneath and drill it and then just go from there. But no, guys, this thing is gonna be ridiculous. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Just look how big it is. I mean, it's massive. Like, it's bigger than my hand. So we're gonna do it. Did you guys actually think I was gonna do that? Because nope, I'm not one of those guys to throw stacks on gas trucks. Nope, I bought that stack just for a little gag video. So if I got you and you actually thought I was gonna drill a hole through my flatbed to run stacks, leave it down in the comments. Just say I got you, just say something if I actually did get you. Nope, we're gonna leave the turn downs. I did think it'd be kind of cool to buy like another one of those and get rid of the little turn downs and run ginormous turn downs, but yeah, no, I'm not doing that either. But no, if I actually got you with that little gag, you gotta tell me, because I'm like I said, I can't do that. I'm not one of those guys. Now, if this thing was a diesel, then sure, maybe. Why not? I had one on my 86, like I said. You guys can go back and check those videos out, like way back, like 4 years ago. No, I just want to be funny about it. I actually might end up taking that and doing a exhaust comparison, because we have a 4-inch stack on our Alice Chalmers 7010 now. I might actually throw that one on there and see if you can tell a difference between a 4-inch just straight stack or a 4-inch to the 8-inch. Maybe it will sound different, maybe it won't. If you guys would like to see that, kind of the comparison, let me know. But yeah, I just wanted to buy it and do just some gag videos with it or whatever. But no, the next video we are going to be doing, I do want to get this bed taken care of. It's rough, so I'm probably going to wire wheel everything, we're going to throw some plastic over the cab here, cover up the wheels, and I'm actually going to be rhino lining this, or raptor lining. A couple years ago I painted around the edges and everything just to clean it up, but like I said, I'm going to go ahead and raptor line it, just get it covered nice and good. I don't really haul much on the bed here, so I'm not too worried about it chipping or whatever. I do have my access hole here for the filler neck, because it did come out here and it was just a pain. And then over here, this truck was a welding truck, so it's got the access hole for where it used to have the tanks and stuff for the welder. But other than that, guys, not a whole lot's changed on the truck other than me changing the exhaust. But no, I still need to do the steering shaft swap from here on up. We'll get that done, and then it's just gonna go into storage for wintertime. Get the wheels and stuff cleaned up. We'll get all that stuff cleaned up, and then yeah, that's basically it. So just a little gag video, just something funny. But yeah, remember, learning as I do, doing love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.